In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from HubSpot efficiently. Whether you're backing up data or transferring information to another platform, exporting your contacts correctly ensures smooth and organized data management. Let's dive in. First things first, open your HubSpot account. From there, look for the CRM section in the main navigation menu and navigate to the Contacts tab. This is the starting point where you can locate all your stored contact information within HubSpot. Once you're in the Contacts area, you'll need to select the contacts you wish to export. HubSpot offers several ways to do this. You can manually choose individual contacts, or if you're dealing with larger amounts of data and want to streamline the process, you might find using lists or filters more efficient. By doing so, you can easily select multiple contacts based on specific criteria that suit your needs. With your contacts selected, it's time to initiate the export process. To do that, find the Actions drop-down menu, which is typically located near the top of your list of contacts or within an individual contact view. Click on the Actions drop-down and from the options provided, choose Export Contact Data. Now, here's where you can customize your export to ensure it meets all your requirements. If you want to include custom properties and historical data, you can check the appropriate box. This ensures that not only the current data, but also its history is part of your export, offering a comprehensive view. If you have activities such as emails or notes linked to your contacts and you'd like these included, make sure to select the Associated Activities option. Additionally, you might have linked records like companies or deals that you'd prefer to include, so don't forget to check the Associations box as well. After setting your preference, you'll be prompted to choose the file format for your export. HubSpot typically offers formats such as CSV or XLSX. Select the format that best aligns with how you intend to use the exported data. CSV is quite common for its compatibility with many tools and systems. Once you've completed these steps, HubSpot will process your request and send an email containing a download link to your registered email address. Simply open the email and click on the download link provided. This will allow you to download your exported contact data directly to your device, giving you quick access to it whenever you need it. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of exporting contacts from HubSpot. I hope this guide helps you manage your HubSpot data more effectively and makes the process much simpler for you. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be well on your way to mastering your CRM exports. Thanks for watching.